Good morning, YouTube. I'm gonna do some November Rain for you this morning. This is a hard one to play. This is like my 168th time trying to teach it to you, and I keep screwing up, and I gotta start the videos over. I'm gonna get right into it with the very first verse. Then I'm gonna stop, and then if there's time, I'll start the second verse, like the second part. But if not, we're gonna have to do this in parts, okay? So, everyone knows November Rain. A lot of people think it's too hard to play, but it's not. We're gonna start on the F chord. I like that F chord the best because it sounds more crisp. So the ring finger is on the 3rd fret, 3rd string from the top. Your middle finger is on the G string, 1 fret over on the 2nd fret, and your index finger is on the 1st fret on the 2nd string. That's where we're going to start. We're going to go from there to the G power or the D power chord, and then up to the C. Alright, and we're going to do a hammer on, and then we're going to take one off. I'm going to show you. So, it starts like this. When I look into your eyes, I can see your love restrained. At the pinky, take it off. Take off the middle finger, put it back on. Then back down to the F. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Now that's where it's going to change already. So you have 2 bars and then it changes. So what I want you to do is get used to that. When I look into your eyes, I can see your love refrain. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? When you feel ready, we're going to move on to this part. Instead of going back to the F, it's going to start on the D power chord. Nothing lasts forever to the G right here. So I play with my bottom 2 fingers. Doesn't matter what G you use. I use my bottom 2 fingers on the bottom 2 strings. So nothing lasts forever, and we both know hard to change. And it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. Alright, so we're going to stop there. We put that together and play it non-stop. It's gonna sound like this, starting on the F. When I look into your eyes, I can see your love restrained. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Forever, and we both know hard to change. And it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. That's where it's gonna stop, and it's gonna go back to the F. Like when the first 2 bars of the song, it's the same chords. We've been through this such a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. Lovers always come and lovers always go, and no one's really sure who's letting go today. Walking away. When you take the time to lay it on the line, I can rest my head just knowing that you are mine. So if you wanna love me, then darling, don't refrain. Or I'll just end up walking in the cold November rain. well does it for the first verse, and I'm surprised I made it through without a mistake this time. But from there, that's the very first verse, because it switches over. Do you need some time on your own? Because we're running out of time, I'm just going to show it to you quickly. But once you get that first verse done, and it starts to, do you need some time all alone? That's 2 chords. It goes from the F, the same F you play at the beginning. So do you need some time on your own? To the G. Do you need some time all alone? Ooh, everybody needs some time on your own. Don't you know you need some time all alone? Okay, and I'm going to end the first lesson right there, because I want you guys to get the first verse right up to that part. I want you to be comfortable with it, because now there's some changes that come. You're not going to come back to that part very much. And the next part is a totally new lesson. This song has like 3-4 parts to it, and you got to learn each one separately, because there's so much to learn. It's an easy song with easy chords, but so much to learn. So I'm going to end it there. I am going to do part 2 and possibly a part 3. So please send me your comments, send me your messages, and let me know what you think. And also, if you have any ideas for any other songs that you want to learn, send me that too, okay? I don't know really what else to say. I am in my pajamas too. See, I'm wearing my bacon under here. And I got my hoodie. It was a bit cold in the trailer last night. So this is jamming in your jammies. So I have to have my jammies on. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep jamming, and keep your eyes out for part 2. All right, it's coming up soon.